Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sort in Google Sheets. So first of all, open your document in Google Spreadsheets. So I have a document here which contains some sample data. So in order to sort it, first of all select all the cells here. Okay, so once you select it, right click on this one, then you will find an option called sort range. So in few of you guys you will find it right here. Okay, so if you don't see it, then you can click at the bottom to view more cell actions. Okay, now you will find this option right here, that is sort range. You need to click on that one. Now you can see the first one, data has header row. You need to click on that. Okay, now how do you want to sort it? By name or by marks? So there are only two headings at the top, that is name and marks. So right now I want to sort it by the name, right? Okay, click on name, then A to Z or Z to A. So I want to sort it by A to Z. So you can see Prabhat is at the top. Okay, now I'm going to click on sort here. Now you can see Amy has come at the top. Okay, so it has sorted it by name. Now if I want to do it by marks, then again we need to go to the sort range here and click on data as header row, then sort by marks here, A to Z, that means from lower up to the top. You can also see ascending and descending. Okay, so if I click on sort, you can see 44, 45, 48, 9, 50, 51, 58. Okay, so now if you have multiple entries, suppose after marks, if you have some for test 1 or again for test 2, marks are here. Okay, so how you will sort these kind of entries? So you need to select all of them just like this. Okay, then you need to click and again click on view more selections, click on sort range. Then after first of all, after doing the name one, you need to click on add another short column, then by marks. Okay, then there is another entry, then you can also click on another, add another short column, then by test 1, test 2 and test 3. Okay, so it will sort it, it will sort all the data simultaneously. Okay, so this is how you will sort on Google Spreadsheets. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.